Hi all, trust you all are doing safe. I'm Kalyani Pantangi. I've come here with a message and few questions. Please help me find answers for my questions. Few days ago in India, we've had the crazy issue of COVID where literally it shook the nation. Thank God things are in control right now, but I have to use this example because I have many queries related to this. During that particular phase, there was no oxygen supply in hospitals. There was no oxygen supply in private care. A lot of people who were COVID affected and who opted to have private care at home, even they never got oxygen. They were prepared to pay money 4 times, 5 times the rate, but there was no supply of oxygen. Did we learn something during that time? Yes, one main thing that I learned is oxygen is given to us so freely. How many of us thank God for it on daily basis? How many of them thank God that He doesn't come and charge us for the oxygen that we breathe every day? He's never come back to us and said, you breathe so many cylinders of oxygen in a day. Or he's not come back or sent somebody and said, in so many years, you've used so many cylinders of oxygen. Did we thank him for it? And not only that, he has made a mechanism in such a way that we get oxygen fresh supply on daily basis. During the day, plants take our carbon dioxide and they release oxygen in air. And we get fresh oxygen. What we have done, did we thank God? Did we protect our nature? Does this nature belong only to us? Does this environment or this world, this planet belong only to us? Aren't all the other animals and plants a part of it? Are we going to give this kind of a nature to the future generations? Not enough we have spoiled it. Not enough we have trampled it. We've come to a choking point where ice is melting. Climate is changing drastically. If this continues, we are not going to make this place a place for our children or future generations. Where do we expect them to live? What are the corrective steps are we taking? Don't you think it is each and every individual's responsibility to save our planet now? Think about all this, answer my questions, write your thoughts and comments below. Thank you.